Yo, what is up everyone? I'm Purple Haze and today we're gonna be playing a weird game which is called the Train Tunnels. This is a game where you basically have to dodge a fast moving train around the tunnels. Seems easy enough, right? Well no, because these trains are freaking fast. Like fast as fuck, boy. Like, damn. This, is like, this game reminds me of that one game Markiplier played where Thomas likes charges toward you with a knife in front of in front of his buffers or some shit. But it's kind of the same like this. So, anyways, let's play.
Smoke, smoke, smoke weed.
Oh, an animation? Holy shit! Damn. Okay. Oh shit! This goes hard. Why am I? Explore. Collect. Oh, seems easy enough. Am I alone? I'm alone. Bakemono. Bakemono's here. This shoe. This seems. This shit's so scary, dude. Can I bolt? I can't. I can't run. Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! What? Was it a false train? I thought that was a train. Maybe it's my friend? I don't know what that is. No, we're just exploring the place. I don't really know where we're supposed to go. Oh, we found one. Collect one. Yep. We got one. Where? Where's the freaking train? This game's so sketchy. Is that a train? Where? Where? Oh my god. Where are there two? Where are there two? Oh my god. Jesus Christ. I didn't even see any trains. What? What? I didn't see any trains. Oh shit. Oh, we got an indicator. That shit's so loud, dude. We got an indicator. Okay. Oh shit. Where? Damn. That seems slow to you? That shit is slow to you already? That's not fucking slow, dude. We're gonna get run over by that. Where's she? Where's she? Better not be fucking in front of me. Oh shit. This is my biggest fear. Trains and rails.
Bruh.
Trains and tunnels. Yes, trains and tunnels are my biggest fear. I may love Thomas the Tank Engine, but I hate this. Right here. Okay, not bad. This game is not that scary at all. Jesus Christ. This game is so scary. Okay, I'm here. Found a fuse again. Let's go. Found one. Got one, bro. Got one. Shit, it's so scary. Oh no. Bro. Are you serious? You got run over? Wow. I'm not even gonna be scared. Just go straight here. I'm not even gonna be scared. I'm just gonna run. Do. I'm gonna find some more fuses. I'm not even scared of you, dude. Oh shit. Oh. Got a fuse. Am I alone? Bakemono's here. I don't know where he is. What now? Oh shit. Get up here. Oh my god. Holy shit. This is absolutely scary. I don't know why. The trains are just too noisy, I think, for my opinion. Oh, we got another one. I didn't expect to get another one, but yeah. Yeah, it was a good idea to bring a flashlight. It's kinda true. Oh shit, oh shit. Oh no. Oh no. No, no, dude. Wait for me. Okay, we got more fuses. Where's the fuse? We got a lot of fuses, dude. Do we need to bring them somewhere? Why not here? Okay, here. I think it's over here. Fuck. God damn it. I'm dead. I'm dead. We're dead. Okay, we're alive. Didn't we get one? Did we collect any fuses? Exit number 1. What? Oh, there's already an exit. We won. What? Is that it? Okay, that was easy. It took 9 deaths, 6 minutes. Damn, that's a short video. Damn. Can I watch him? Dude. Why are you still here? Okay, let's try again. That game was fun actually. That game was fun. This is gonna be scary, hard, and probably the most difficult thing in our life. But it's not as difficult as college. Yeah. True about that one. Okay. We are at the end. My English is getting worse every day. Dude, my English is absolutely getting worse. I'm so scared by it. Okay, we got one. The trains will arrive now. I knew that they will arrive. Here we go again. Fuck. Oh shit. We choose the right one. Oh shit. Oh. Dude, that was dodging in real life, by the way. No! Oh my god, that's so hard. Dude, you're still here? Once we get one fuse for some reason, the train start acting up. Fuck. Dude, follow me. Follow me. Then you'll see. I hope that's a tunnel. I'm hoping. Come on. Yes! We got one. Dude, don't follow. Okay, we got one. Got one fuse down. Here. Here we go again. Oh shit! No! God. Oh god. Run over here. Gotta stay in the middle. Here. Oh, run. Oh, he dead. Oh, she dead. Oh, she dead. Oh. Ooh, what a dodge. Weave. Okay, that was easy. Where's the train next going? Where are you going? Fuck. We got one. Don't follow me. We got one fuse. I gave it to her. But we got one fuse. The trains are about to come in. And there's a save point here. I think they're only attacking at the middle. So we don't need to worry. Locked. I think that's the safe spot. But I don't know. Okay. Please do not be a blocked one. Oh, it's the... Damn it. Entrance. There are rooms. Okay. I think I know where to go. Just go straight here. It's just straight here. Come on. Should be easy enough. This is gonna be a long ass recording, just so you know. Okay, here. Oh, yeah, got one. Yes. Okay, the trains are coming. Dude, let's go back. Come on. Come on. It's behind us. Is it behind us? Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. Oh shit. Oh, you're dead. Oh, he alive. Oh, he alive. Okay, I think I know where to go. Down here, up. Okay. Down, 1, 2, 3. Wait, I know. Okay, so coast is clear. Nope. Nope. Ooh, almost died. And there's a second train coming. Again. Holy shit. Oh shit, there's... Oh. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. I'm dodging like LeBron James. Oh, fuck's sakes. No. Okay, I'm done. I'm absolutely done. Dang it. Dang it. It's so hard, dude. I think I'm gonna end it here. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And, yeah. If you guys enjoyed this, this was Trains and Tunnels. I think that was the title. Tunnels and trains, I don't know. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed the game, I suggest you try it as well if you want to challenge yourself. This game is very hard. So anyways, I'm gonna end it here. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.